और अब आपको लिए चलेंगे। टॉस जारी है इस वक्त। तो पाकिस्तान और यूएई के कप्तान दोनों इस वक्त स्टेडियम में मौजूद हैं और टॉस किया जा रहा है। ये मनाजिर आप देख सकते हैं। मैच कुछ देर में ही शुरू हो जाएगा और ये टॉस के मनाजिर हैं।
Game, so inshallah we will try to restrict them on the low total.
Now this is a very big game for you guys. Of course, if you happen to get up, it'll be massive for you blokes. Where do you think you might have the edge over Pakistan?
Yeah, it's a do and die game for the both. We can say that we will take that advantage. This is we are head for the toss only. So inshallah, the way I said, we will try to restrict them on the low total.
And looking at your last game, it was quite noticeable that all your guys seemed to know exactly what role they needed to play. How important is that from a captain's perspective?
Yeah, we had a good game in Abu Dhabi, but here is a different pitch, different game, different opponent. Yeah, we came with a different plan today, and inshallah we will try to execute that.
What about your team?
We are going with the one change. Jawadullah is out and Simranjeet is in.
Okay, good luck. Have a good game.
Thank you so much.
Solon, had you won the toss, what were you going to do?
We wanted to bat first, to be honest, because I always believe like scoring run, scoring on the board and run, put them under pressure in the run or scoreboard pressure.
Now, we all know that you haven't hit your straps totally yet, Pakistan. What is the one area from a captain's perspective that you want to see get right today?
I think it's for us is playing a perfect game. We didn't bat it well in the middle overs. We want to do that today, and yeah, it's a great day for us to play a perfect game, and I would love to do that.
And the same question to you. You know these guys pretty well now. Of course, you played a lot of the last little while. Where do you think you've got the edge over UAE?
It's not about edge. I think they're a pretty good side. It's just like if we hold over, I believe on that. If we execute our plan for longer period, we have chance to win against any side. So that's what our focus is, to execute our plans longer period, and I think that would be enough for us.
And what about your team? What have you decided to do?
We have two change. Sufyan is not playing, and Fahim is not playing. Haris is playing, and Khushil Shah is playing.
यूएई ने टॉस जीतकर पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है। पाकिस्तानी कप्तान ने कहा कि अगर हम टॉस जीतते तब भी पहले ही बैट करते।